Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop emails from Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Indeed homepage. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log into your account. Now once you have logged in, you will end up within the home page once again. From this page, in order to stop receiving emails from Indeed, click on your account icon at the top right corner once again and then click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Communication Settings and now click on Email. Within the email section, you will be able to choose what kind of email or subscription alerts that you want to receive. Click on the extension button and you can either choose to enable or disable various kinds of email notifications. If you go back from this page once again, you will also find the employer and recruiter email sections. Simply click on the change option to change these settings as well. Underneath additional email, you can also choose to turn off all of these options and you will not receive any additional emails as well. You can also click on the option all the way at the end to unsubscribe from all commercial emails. This will stop all of the email notifications that you get from Indeed related to commercial notifications. And there you have it. That is how you can turn off and stop receiving emails from Indeed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.